Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a signature on Zoho Mail, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And before starting, make sure that you are logged into Zoho Mail, and this will help you add a professional touch to every mail that you send. So after logging into your Zoho Mail, you will go ahead and click settings, which is right here. And then what you will do is click that, and you will look for signature. Just scroll down a little and then you will see it. And once you see signature, what you will do is you will click this button right here, which is add signature. And then now you can just enter your signature text and optionally format it with with fonts, with images or links. And then you will just have to choose if you want it applied automatically to new emails or replies or forwards. And you can basically just either place it above the quoted content or place the signature below quoted content, so it really depends on you. And you can also name your signature, and that's just basically it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.